two holiday cottages. There's the cottage here, which is a 16th century building. It sleeps 4 people, and there's a farmhouse over there which sleeps 9 people. That was restored in the 19th century. They're the scene of a fairly famous book called I Bought a Mountain by Thomas Furbank, who was one of the previous residents here, as was his lady wife Esme Kirby, who founded the Snowdonia National Society. We're in the heart of Snowdonia. We're probably about 1.5 miles out of a place called Capel Curig in the Dyffryn Valley. The views are fantastic. You can see the Snowdon Horseshoe, and you can see Moel Shabod, another famous mountain, and there's fantastic access to outdoors activities if that's what you like to do. There's Plaza Brennan, which is the National Outdoor Pursuits Centre, so there's all sorts of things to do there, from kayaking to mountain climbing to rock climbing. If you wanted to, you could head down into Llanberis and climb Snowdon, or even take the train up. There's Penrhyn Castle, which is a fantastic neo-Gothic mansion. And also, you're feeling a bit more cosmopolitan, there's Carnarvon, and there's lots of coffee and tea shops. If you want to get in touch or find out more about the cottages, you can go to the National Trust website and click on the link for holiday cottages.